MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers reliable baseboard heater repair in Pottstown, PA, helping restore efficient and consistent heating in your home or business. If your baseboard heater is not producing enough heat, making unusual noises, or showing signs of electrical issues, our experienced technicians can quickly diagnose and fix the problem. We service all types of baseboard heating systems and use quality parts to ensure safe, long-lasting repairs. Our goal is to improve performance and extend the life of your system. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for dependable baseboard heater repair in Pottstown, PA. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for the baseboard heater repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides baseboard heater repair in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers professional baseboard heater repair in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses experiencing heating issues. Baseboard heaters are known for providing consistent, room-by-room heat, but like any system, they can develop problems over time. How much does baseboard heater repair cost in Pottstown, PA? The cost of baseboard heater repair in Pottstown, PA depends on the type of issue, system type, and required parts. Minor problems such as thermostat adjustments or electrical fixes may cost less, while more complex repairs involving heating elements or hydronic components may require a higher investment. What is your baseboard heater repair in Pottstown, PA? Our baseboard heater repair has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown pa/.